My name is Anitra, and this story is the hiking in memory of Iracema. She is my sister. She died 18 years ago because leukemia. She had 19 years old when she died. This story is in the memory of her. The hiking. Climbing mountain is one of the most experienced in my life. It's like to be close to the God. When I do hiking with my friends, it's like the spirit arises. But this particular hiking was amazing. I was 16 years old. I was afraid of everything and everybody, but I also want to explore the world. After an excellent junior high, my parents sent me to Costa Rica, a beautiful place with incredible beaches and mountains. My friend and I had a perfect plan. We going to New Girls. You know, Latin girls are hot. We will have our perfect single party. The trip in the country will be easy. First to the Venado Caves, then to Rincón de la Vieja volcano, and finally a very long hiking into the middle of the forest of the La Amistad International Park. We will have a local tourist guide. We thought we'd be a man enjoying our party, but no. She was the most beautiful woman in the earth, like every Costa Rican woman. She has long hips and strong legs. Her waist was thin. Her arms were stronger than mine and deep black eyes. Her skin was like sand, brown and sparkle. She was like 5 feet, but with a strong character. She came to us, present herself. Her name was Iracema. I can't believe she was our guide. She seems like a teenager like us, but very young. But she was 12 years older than me. She hasn't any accent, seems to be in New York all her life. She gave us some direction and finally said, "If you want to return alive to New York, you will have to follow my orders." Of course we laughed. She was small, thin, and seemed like a child. Like us! Of course we laughed. But we were very wrong about her. Did I mention her that she is my wife now? Every backpack has the basic to survive. Tuna fish, crackers, matches, candle, a knife, a spoon, a metal glass, a metal plate, a very small and funny shovel, a waterproof blanket, a small waterproof tent, and water. Really a metal water container, and exposed lights with battery. But we have to survive 8 days in the mountain with that. First mistake. We ate all the tuna fish and the cracker in the first day. But the mountains doesn't have supermarket. Second big mistake. The water get into the matches the second day, and wet matches doesn't work. Third mistake. We don't have enough batteries for our spotlights. And our finally biggest mistake. We thought Iracema was an easy girl. That mistake cost me a black eye and broken rib. How I finally married with her, well, that is another story for another moment, but took me almost 10 years to get her back. Venado Cave was amazing and easy. We get down like forever. We see only the light of our spotlight. We have to believe in Iracema expertise. We can see, and some space was very small. Only a thin body like her can fix in there. But when we saw the stalactites, emerged from the ceiling was astonished. In this small part of the cave, the ground touched themselves. The colors were browns, but the different types of brown painting with red. At the end of the cave, when we saw the blue sky, smelled the air, and saw all the green in the trees and flowers, I felt like reborn again. It was like if we were buried and become alive again. That night, we slept in the Rincón de la Vieja National Park. This night started the dependence. First, all monkeys have different sounds and every sounds are scary than the other one. Irasema suggests that if we were scary, we can share tents. But no, we were men and no men show fears. We slept with the spotlight on and the batteries. The second day, Irasema was talking in Spanish with the park ranger. There are a family of black panthers living in the park, and they decide to let us live. I peed myself in that moment. The volcano is amazing. The flames living in their floor. Fumaroles is like small holes in the floor with lava. They are hot, extremely hot and dangerous. One shoe of Michael melted in the fumaroles. He wants to play like a tough man. Irasema yelled at him so loud that I was scared of her. We saw a lot of animals, surprising animals, but not like the one we will be going to know. That night, we slept in pairs because we were smart enough to know that we were scary. But Irasema, the only girl, she was tougher than every man in the group. The third day, we started to walk into the mountain to the La Amistad International Park. First, we walked for almost 10 hours the first day. There wasn't bathroom in the forest. The little funny show was to bury our waste. The pit part are easy. The second part wasn't. First, we need to make a hole, then do our thing, and finally put land in that. I assure you, that is the most difficult thing I have done in my life after conquering Irasema. We need to feed ourselves, then we have to hunt. Not an endangered species, so we need to see another stuff. We saw a rabbit. We tried to hunt it like for an hour without that success, until Irasema, in a small and quickly gesture, grabbed the rabbit and twisted its neck. She said to us something like, we need water and fire, but wasn't supermarkets near, so how we need to supposed to do it. She saw our asshole face and chose the river. All of us bring water in our canteens and drank a lot of water also. We thought we were dehydrated, but not. That will come later. After that, she asked for us tweets. But dry tweets in a rainforest is very difficult quest. And finally, she discovered how stupid we were because all our matches were wet. Luckily for us, we have her. She used her matches, started the fire, cooked the rabbit, and helped us with the tents. That night, we slept safely thanks to her. But I thought she was easy and I had the terrific idea to get into her tent. She pushed me in my face and kicked me in the ribs. After me, nobody wants to mess with her. The next day, we learned to hunt, to start bonfires, to cook in the middle of the forest to know which fruits you can eat, and most important, to listen and respect women. After that trip, I know Iracema is always right, and I have to listen to her. Now, after 20 years and two beautiful kids, of course with her skin and eyes, she continues to amaze me with her sharpness, intelligence, sense of survivor, and ability to see life. It must be her Costa Rican blood that made her so special, but I am still in love with her. Well, I hope you enjoyed this short story.